Hey guys, today you won't believe what we just found. That's right, we got Pokemon Chaos Rising here from Walmart. We have not had luck finding any Pokemon cards in, I don't know, over a year or so. We were out running errands on a Sunday. Happy Father's Day to the fathers out there. And I thought, what better way, Father's Day, to let my kids open some cards here. A little present from Dad to the kids. It's a little bit backwards, but I like to see the smiles on their face. So I'm hoping that we open some cool, rare cards today. Can we get some SIRs?
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Who's ready?
Me.
All right, we'll start. How about Kelvin down at the end there first, the youngest? All right, we're going to open up the first pack here. So you rip the cardboard on top, and there should be a pack in there.
There's like a thing on the back, Calvin, like right here.
Oh yeah, you can rip it down the middle right here.
Subscribe and like our channel.
Anybody else been opening Chaos Rising? What's your favorite card that you've gotten out of the pack, or a rare card? Let us know in the comments. We have not opened a pack from this, so this is kind of new for us. All right, you want to show what you got on the front? All right, here, let me hold it up. Can you, or here. So this is the one you got on here. I don't even know who that guy is.
I forgot his name.
All right, see if that's the lucky pack here, Kelvin.
Drum roll. Remember, Calvin.
Yeah, what is it? Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Put the top 4 cards in the bottom. Or the front, the back 4 cards on the front.
All right, he's trying to get that open there. He's
He's
struggling. He's struggling. All right. What's your guys' guess on the energy that's going to be on the
It's a
It's
Pikachu
that one.
code card.
Pikachu code card?
And take 4 of those and put them on.
4
the
down.
2, 3, 4.
All right. 4 from the top. Oh, we did backwards. All right, let me switch it.
That's the right way.
All right, we'll go the other way. We'll put it back. I don't know what's going on, guys. We might have really mixed it up here. So 4 from
It's
the.
4 from
So
the back to the bottom. That's how they always do it.
Okay, we'll start. We'll try this. We'll see what happens.
That way.
All right, Colin, flip it over. All right. You want me to read them off?
Maybe it isn't.
You might have got it mixed up. All right, we'll do it next time. All right, first one you got here, Roxy's Performance Supporter. All right, just hand it to me. Next one, Della Bird.
Ooh. 2 shinies.
All right, you must have got something good here.
One.
What does it say? He's excited. He got a Beedrill GX. All right, Kelvin, is that a good one?
Yeah,
You like that one?
I like that one.
Okay. That might have been the one from the. Oh yeah, now there's the energy. We got energy.
Wait, so how would you do it then? 8 cards?
No, we just did from the wrong side, I think.
Yeah.
Phantom Trump.
Not Trump.
What?
It's Phantom.
Phantom. Okay. Mess up. Trubbish.
Trumpish.
I don't even know how you say this guy.
Little.
Little Leo.
No, Litio.
All right, let's speed up a little bit here. Wimpod.
Ooh, that's
Diversity
a cool card.
policy.
The Deoxys.
Deoxys. All right. And your last one. Great Hall Net.
Great Hall.
For those Minnesota people. Fishermen. All right.
Okay, can I?
All right, should we just go down the line? Leave Eli for last.
Yes,
Can you
they
wait?
Can wait.
All right, Theo's going to open his pack here.
He's like,
He's ripping. We're ripping packs.
All right,
Okay.
show who you got on the front.
Yes, I did get the Greninja.
I think they're all the
Is that
same.
the same with Calvin in?
No, Calvin got a different one.
Oh, yeah, you did.
yeah,
You got
and I
different
have
ones. Okay.
this picture.
Is he
say that?
You got a bug?
Yeah, there's an ant right
Ant.
there.
Smash the man. Oh, man. That was the 3rd card, though, so maybe it's 3 good. I don't know. We don't know what order on
No,
this
wait. So you
So
think
flip
it's
it
4
over.
from this side? So 4 here to there.
one. Okay, and then
And
flip
flip.
it. All right, we'll see. All right, let's read out. So, Prism Tower, Ninetales, Golisopod.
Glycopod.
Flaffy.
Maybe you should do the reading.
Doxys.
Deoxys.
Gudra.
Gudra.
It's the energy again, so we're doing it backwards somehow.
I think the energy's supposed to be.
Wait.
Oh boy.
A
hold
fan
up some-
Trump.
Oh, and you got Trumpish. Trumpish.
Oh, yeah.
Trumpish.
Litleo and Wimpod.
Well, you didn't get anything good.
No, I got a bad pack, I guess.
Oh wait, you
This,
got.
maybe this,
shiny ones.
maybe this was the pull. I don't know.
Okay, my
That's a
turn.
star.
Well,
from
I
it.
got these cool shiny ones. Shiny.
And a Gudra. Looks like a kangaroo mixed with an Easter bunny.
I don't think it looks
All right,
like that.
Eden's turn.
Dad?
Hey, we're back. We had a little audio issue, so we're reshooting the cards that we already opened because we found out that there was no audio. The microphones died and we had to charge them. So we're going to jump back into the pack here. It's a little different. We already know what we're getting, but you guys don't know. So, all right, first one here is, what are you going to guess for the energy?
I don't remember what I guessed. I think
I
I
think-
guessed leaf.
I think I said psychic. And it is, drum roll. It is fire energy. All right, fire energy is the first one. Then we got special red card. Maustitic. Felipe. Ferrothorn. Zubat. Watchhog. Mareep. Caravine. Nitro energy. It's kind of a cool energy, the red one. And this is the one that we got first full art here. Matang. Alright. I already put in the sleeve here, but that's what we got in that pack here on Father's Day. Alright. Eden's going to jump in her pack that she opened that we're reshooting here.
Okay, so what are your guesses on the energy? I guessed lightning, and it was lightning.
Alright.
I got Froakie, Fampy, Ferroseed, Watchog, Deoxys, Skunkatank, Metagross, Bubbly Energy, and Tauros Full Art.
Yep, Tauros full art. She was pretty excited in the video. Reenacting's a little harder to get excitement, but two illustrations there that we got with the last two here. I'll show them. So we got these two guys here. Let us know in the comments below. Have you been pulling anything better than this? This is the best that we got tonight on the Chaos Rising pack that we opened. So two illustrations. We did open up two other packs. My wife opened one, and I opened another one to see what we could get. There was not any big pulls out of those. The top cards here that I got was this reverse Donphin, a Patrat, and then a Keldeo hollow for the star at the end. That was the other pack I opened, and then my wife got a Pharaoh Seed on it with the water energy, and then a Skelrip. And I think that was the only. Oh, and then she got a bubbly energy also. That was kind of the dud pack, not much in there. Yeah, maybe we'll put up the bloopers at the end. Kind of I was actually going through and being excited and opening the packs in real time, but we don't have any audio, so yeah. If you like this type of stuff, want to follow along on our journey, we're going to be opening more packs. We're going to be talking about the journey of selling cards and what it looks like, and keeping track of our sales. And we've been learning a lot along the way, and we're just over 4,200 cards in TCG Player right now listed, and we're thinking about maybe doing some cards on eBay again. We'll see. But yeah, catch us on the next video. Thank you for your time. Peace.
Pokemon.
Gotta catch 'em all! Dad? Ugh!